Here is the question of the week. Let's see how we're going to get the answer. The first part we're going to consider is immediately after the cell phone is dropped from the balloon. Since the balloon is moving upwards, the cell phone will first move upwards to a maximum height. We know that the initial velocity of the balloon is 3 meters per second upwards. We know acceleration, and we know that when the cell phone reaches its maximum height, it will have a velocity of 0 meters per second. We need to find delta t. The initial velocity we're going to use in the calculation is the velocity at which the cell phone left the balloon, relative to the balloon, plus the velocity of the balloon itself. Since the cell phone was dropped, its velocity relative to the balloon is 0, and we substitute the value for the velocity of the balloon. We will use minus 3 meters per second as the initial velocity for the cell phone. Now that we know the initial velocity, we can do some calculations. We're going to use this equation to find delta t. Substitute the values and solve. Now we're going to consider the entire motion of the cell phone from when it leaves the balloon to when it strikes the ground. We will use this equation to find the displacement. Substitute the values and calculate the answer. We hope you enjoyed the quiz of the week. See you soon.